I can see all the centers along the road where the sub-county hospital is. And those health centers have maternity. This dispensary is in the middle. Distances to go to Kigocho at the sub-county hospital, and distance to go to Kunate and the other places that have health centers. This place doesn't have a health center. It's just a dispensary with the one member of staff, one director. And you can see the population surrounding it. Perhaps when you come out of here, it would be good not to go up this way, but to go down this way, so that you go to Mekindori to the other side, so that you can actually see the population that this place is serving. So when I was talking to them, actually I didn't know they can do maternity. But I talked to them anyway. I told them, you can look for a way of helping to come up with something here to help, because we as he has said, we know the kind of strain that the government is going through because of this COVID. So this is the perfect time, my son and team. And as a mother, I really feel proud of Sports Pesa and your team, that you actually had and you decided it's not just a bed, but even the room where this bed can be used will be done. For me, whatever little that there is that can be given today, I believe we all have contacts everywhere, and we can see how we can really push this facility to a higher level. Because we are actually surrounded by hills, and we have been forgotten by almost everyone. So if we can have a model hospital, and now that the county leadership has visited and seen what we have been talking about, I'm sure when our MCA comes crying that we need to improve this facility, you have seen, and I'm sure you'll be able to support him. So I don't want to say a lot. I can talk a lot because I have a lot of passion for my community, but I want to say thank you, Sports Pesa, being blessed.